So hey guys, welcome to the Hack Odisha 2024 project. This is Krishi Help, which is a platform that connects the farmers and the distributors via a common platform, which helps them fulfill their needs online. So this is our landing page with a basic news section and the scheme section. For the news section, we can see all the news regarding the agriculture and farming in the school news cards. Now we can view the full news through the links provided. So there are several pages of such news. So apart from that, there is a scheme section which is all the schemes related to farming and agriculture. So let's click on the schemes. As you can see, all the schemes visited. Now we can move on to the success stories and important links section, which are pretty basic. Let's move on to the sign in portion. Now we can sign in as two roles like farmer and distributor. Now first we have to sign up using both the roles. So here let's sign up as, let's give a username and then email. Now let's fill in the password and let's fill in the role as a farmer. So let's sign in, and before that now we have to sign in. Let's fill in a long password first to check. Okay, so the email is wrong, so we have to now include that. So it's functioning now. For a wrong password, it clearly shows invalid password. So now let's fill in the right password. Wait a second, let me see. Yeah, let's sign in. So we have signed in as a farmer. Now let's sign in as a distributor. Okay, now let's log in to the distributor side. So the sign up works similarly. So to save time, let's just log in using the email that I had for a distributor, that is d@gmail.com, and let's use the password that I remember. By the way, the password and all works the same. So let's sign in as a distributor. As you can see, we have clearly signed in as a distributor. So now let's move on to the farmer section and show how it works. For the farmer, there is an extra articles section, which is basically where the farmers can post their experiences regarding certain topics like pest and disease and experiences and soil health and furthermore. So these are all the posts that are there. So we can view all posts here. So this is the post section. Now in this post section, we can view each individual post. Here we can see all the posts that are present. Now we can also add comments to these posts like hello, awesome post. Let's submit it. As you can see, the post and the comment has been added. We can also edit these comments. Let's add a few thanks explanations and save it. We can also delete these comments. There's a cool pop-up. Now let's re-add the comment so we can see the comment on that post later. Let's add it again. So again it's visible. You can also view other articles and their content, and the comments that have already been posted are also visible. There's also a filter section where we can filter based on topics such as pest and disease. If we apply the filters, the pest and disease related articles show up. Also it is sorted by latest, so generally the posts that have been added, the latest will appear first. Now there's a shop section where the farmer can search for shops regarding agriculture nearby the location that they are situated. For example, let's search for Allahabad. Then all the shops nearby Allahabad are shown here with their phone numbers and websites if present. Now let's move on to the profile page. So in the profile page we can update the usernames and all the several fields, like suppose let's change the username and update it. We can also add a profile picture. Let's suppose we add it like this. There's a cool loading effect as well. Now we can update it as well. Now the profile is updated, as you can see on the nav bar. Now in the inventory we have to add some crops. Now as you can see, as I'm typing, there are some suggestions coming, so this is pretty good. Now we go for fruits, and now let's add some quantity and some pricing to it. Let's add some more crops. Now as you can see, now let's add pumpkin, which is a vegetable. Now let's add quantities, this 24, okay, 18. Now we can also edit the price and increase it as the farmer wants and decrease the quantity as well. Now let's make it the same for now. Now we can also see the post part. Let's create a post from this user. Let's select a category, suppose financial management and loan applying help. We can also apply any image for that. Let's apply any image regarding that. It's a random image I'm selecting, so don't mind the image. So now the image has been uploaded. So let's add the content. I have found a cool let's add I recently met a government official who suggested me to visit Mr. Satya loan info. Now we can publish this post, and again, as you can see, the post is appearing with a cool section. Now the recent posts that have been uploaded on the website are also visible. So now let's go to the profile, and in the posts we can see that all the posts that have been made by the user are being shown. Now we can edit the post, the update post, see all the things that are already added are already appearing. Now let's change the header to, let's add something, let's add some space and some dots, just basic. And if we change the photo again, now let's change it to any random photo. Let's change it to this photo only. Now we have to upload the image, and the image has been now uploaded. Now let's update the post. As you can see, the same post has been now updated. As you can see, it's not creating a new post, it's basically the same post that has been changed. So this is the comment section where if anyone comments to that post, you can see it. Now let's go to the distributor side. Okay, so we are back at the distributor portal. So basic layout of the distributor portal is same. The market section is the new part of the distributor portal where we can shop for certain crops, and as we can search for bananas, let's search for bananas, then that we had added from the farmer side. Now let's add some bananas to our cart, and we add them to cart. And then now let's add like pumpkin, and if you apply filters you can see all the pumpkin that was available. Now let's add some pumpkins and then add them to cart. As you can see, now it's added. Now there are also certain filters like category wise, like if we reset the filters and see all the vegetables, then as you can see all the vegetables are visible here. Apart from that, if we search for price wise, then we can see all the vegetables between the price range of 100 and 500 should be visible. As you can see, it's clearly visible. Now we can go to the cart. As you can see, all the items that we just added are visible, and from this cart we can also decrease or increase the quantity of the items as per our wishes. So now let's go to the cart summary. As you can see, the price has been calculated. Now we can proceed to buy. So this is the demo Razorpay payment gateway which we are using to carry out the payments. Now as this is a demo payment gateway, we can make it a success or a failure. Let's make it a success for now. As you can see, the payment is being confirmed. So the payment has now been confirmed. So now the alert but ad has arrived, and we can see that we have been directed to the market page, and the cart has also been cleared. Now if we go to the profile, we can go to the orders and see the order that we recently placed has been added in the order history. There is also an order as I had particularly added another order. So now in this order section we can see all the details like the crops we added and the status of the order right now, like total price and payment ID as well. So now let's go to the farmer side to check whether the order is being shown at the farmer orders page. So now we are back at the farmers page. So now we can go to the profile of the farmer page, and in the orders, if we go, we can see the new orders that we added of 5 kgs and 4 kgs of this has been arrived. So this is the 4 kg and 5 kg order we just placed. This is the order ID. As you can see, the same order ID. The different items are being shown. We can update the status of both these items as they are one order, so we can make them shipped or delivered as per the farmer's preference, and we can check in the distributor portal that the order status has been updated as well. So let's check that. So now in the distributor portal, as we can see, the order status has been updated, has delivered. This was the order that we had placed of 4 bananas and 5 pumpkins, and so the price has been set and the status has been updated to delivered. So the market section has been fully integrated well, and the payment is working on both sides, and the orders are being displayed. So now apart from that, in the distributor section we have a trends page where basically we are suggesting the websites where the distributor can check the prices and check the prices of the crops that he needs, and can check the trends. So for example, ag market is a very good website for seeing plots and graphs regarding the price trends of the crops and other vegetables and other stuff. Let's Okay, so this is basically the distributor side. Apart from that, overall the website we have integrated a dark mode feature. As you can see, the dark mode is visible here, and the video is clearly showing the dark mode, and it is well integrated over all the pages. Like you can see all the over the news pages and even the trends page respectively. Apart from that, there is an about section which is basically an about us portal where we can see the goal and objectives of our website, and there is also a clean donation portal for the farmers where you can donate some amount for the farmers. Suppose let's make a 20 rupee donation, and this is basically the same Razorpay gateway that we used earlier, And so again, let's, in case you want to make it a failure, you can also make it a failure, but for now let's make it a success. Again, the payment is being confirmed. So yes, the payment has been confirmed for now, and the payment successful alert has come, and the farmer donation portal is reset to original standards. Okay, so now let's show you the whether the article section works perfectly or not. Let's now sign out and then sign in as a farmer. So I already have a password, suppose LL, and then we log in as a farmer. So we already had this ID. So now if we go to the articles, and this is the post that I had made. So let's add a comment to this, like nice post, very informative, and let's add it. Now as you can see, now this comment has been added. Okay, now let's see if the comment that we just added is visible or not. Now in the profile, if we go to the comments, you can see the comment that we just added is clearly visible with the date and the comment content and the likes. Now the user can choose to delete the comment or not, as it is his post. So basically you can see all the articles, even the article section is well integrated and it is functionable. So this is basically our website till now. So thank you and cheers.